and girls. So today we're going to talk about pronouns. We've already done pronouns. We're going to be reviewing them, but pronouns take the place of a noun. I forgot what a pronoun is, Miss Carmichael. That's okay. I'm going to remind you. So these words are pronouns. I, she, we, them, they, us, he, our, your, it, and my. There are other pronouns. I just put a few of them up there. And when I say these words will replace the nouns we are using. For example, I wrote the word children, Harmony, Alfredo, teachers, and I wrote the word dad. Okay? So I have the word children here. What pronoun can I use instead of saying children? So if I'm writing a sentence and I'm using the word children in it, what pronoun can I use? First of all, the word children means more than one. Child would mean just one. So when I'm telling you the word children, you're going to know there's more than one. So would I use I if I was saying children? No, because I would be just me. Or if you were saying it, it would be just you. Would I say she? No, because that's just one person. Now for children, I could use the word we if you were talking about yourself in a sentence. And I could also use the word them or they. All those are acceptable. So I could have used the word we if it is you talking about the children. I could use the word them. And I can also use the word they. So if I was using the word children in the sentence, I could replace it with the word we, them, or they. You're telling me by using this pronoun, all of these, they mean more than one. The word we, if you're saying we, you got to be careful because you're telling me that you are part of that sentence. If you were not in the sentence, you could use the word them or they. So remember, we tells me you're in that. If you're not there, then you would use the word them or they. Okay? What about harmony? Harmony. Well, I know that Harmony is a girl, so I would not use the word he because Harmony is a girl. There's only one Harmony. It doesn't say multiple harmonies. There's just Harmony, just one. So what word could I use if I was talking about Harmony? I would use the word she because I'm referring to one person, and that is Harmony. She. Now, if Harmony was talking about herself, she wouldn't say she, would she? No. She would say I, because she's talking about herself. So instead of using the noun Harmony, she would use the pronoun I. I am a beautiful girl. And if somebody else was talking about Harmony, they could say she is a beautiful girl. Okay? What about Mr. Alfredo? Alfredo is a boy. So I would not use the word she because Alfredo is a boy. So what word would I use if I was talking about Alfredo? There's only one Alfredo, right? There's only one of you. So I would not use the word they or them because that would tell me there's more than one. I would use the word he because he is just one boy and I was talking about him. He is an awesome kid. So instead of saying Alfredo is an awesome kid, I could have used the word he is an awesome kid. Now, if Alfredo was talking about himself, he would say, I am awesome. He wouldn't say Alfredo is awesome because he's talking about himself. So he would use the pronoun I. All right, so now I have the word teachers. Teachers, that means there's more than one because I have an S at the end. Teachers. Now, I am telling you there could be boys and girls in that sentence, so I can't just say she or or he because we are talking about boys and girls, so I would use the pronoun they. So instead of saying the teachers are awesome, I could say they are awesome. I replace the noun teachers with the word they. Now I have the word dad. So we know that your dad, he's a boy. So would I use the word she? No. She would be if I was talking about mom, but I'm talking about dad. So what word here would I use that means there's only one dad? We're talking about just one here. And I would use the word he. He, you were telling me, you could say, my dad is awesome. So instead of saying my dad, you could replace this noun with he, and you could say, he is awesome. He. So I will write the word he. Now we have done these pronouns in class already in sentences, and we did it when we were sitting around in a circle. So remember, a pronoun, these are pronouns, they're just going to take the place of a noun. So when you're telling a story or you're writing a sentence, instead of saying things like Solomon and Mishka are friends, you could say they are friends. You're telling Miss Carmichael there's more than one person there, so you use the word they. And that is how we use our pronouns. So I hope that was a good review for you. Bye.